To avoid fires from grease, never leave your stove unattended, as accidental fires can happen, even with so-called higher heat oils. Grease fires can occur due to excessive heat being used, coupled with oil splashing or dripping over onto burner elements themselves. Even lower heat can cause a fire if unattended over time. Always check your burners to ensure they are off when completing your cooking. Should a pan catch on fire? First, remove the pan from the heat. If safe, turn off the burner or move the pan to a cold burner. Then place a pot or pan lid over the burning grease to smother the flame or use a fire extinguisher. Never put a burning pan in the sink or shower, and do not spray water on it. That will cause the flames to explode and spread the fire. If you feel like you cannot eliminate the fire, please exit the building, pull a fire alarm on your way out, and dial 911.